Hi, welcome to this video. We will see how to apply transitions inside Pinnacle Studio 18. Leave us comments to help us improving in the future. First of all, you have two main kinds of transitions, the single-side transitions and the double-side transitions. The first ones are used to make a clip appear or disappear. The second ones are used to go from a first clip to the second one, using different effects in between. To make a clip appear or disappear, you can simply drag the top corners of a clip. The transition will show its curve. This means that the clip appears with a simple linear fade. You can drag its edges to change its length. The longer it is, the longer it will last in time. This works for all visible clips such as image, video and text clips. You can also apply transitions on sound clips. In this case, the clip will simply change its volume from being silent to its natural volume or vice versa. In case you want to change the kind of transition, just go to Content and then to Transitions. This contains a full list of transitions inside Pinnacle Studio. You can select one and check it with the preview in source mode, as you do with clips. You can click and drag a selected transition to the simple fade to convert the transition. If you hover the transition curve, an icon reminds you which kind of transition is applied. You can delete a transition right-clicking on it and going to Transition and then to Remove. In video clips, you do add transitions always on video frames. To add transitions to its audio part, you need to enable levels and then to customize the volume envelope line using the keyframes. To know more about the keyframes and the envelope line, watch the relative video in this guide. You can also add and manage transitions using the Effects Editor. Transition in and transition out are dedicated to the transition that make the clip appear and disappear, respectively. On top, you can change the transition type. On right, you can define better its settings, and below, you can change the transition length, indicated by a continuous line. If you want to make a transition between two clips, you firstly need to define a single-side transition in just one of the two clips. Then, you simply have to put the two clips close enough. Such transition will have the same kind and duration of the original single-side transition defined, and does not change the duration of any of the two clips involved. To unlock this transition, you can drag its edges. Just make sure the two clips are long enough. To remove such transition, just put the two clips far enough. You can manage this double-side transition also from the Effects Editor. If you double-click on the clip that had the original single-side transition, you can edit such transition in Transition In or Transition Out, depending on where the clip stays, on the left or right, respect to the transition. Thanks for watching. Check out our full guide for more.